Do you feel like the world you grew up in quietly disappeared, and no one told you how to grieve it? If the talk about job layoffs, housing crisis, climate change, a 2030 recession, or loss of a relationship leaves you anxious, you're not broken. You may be experiencing anticipatory grief, mourning the loss of normalcy before it's fully gone. Today, I'll show you practical ways to process that grief, protect your health, and find meaning. Step 1. Acknowledge and name your feelings. Say it out loud or write, "I feel grief, anger, and fear about the future." Naming emotions reduces their intensity and restores a sense of control. If you're faith-based, include a short prayer. If you're secular, try a 60-second breathing practice. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6. Repeat 6 times. Uncertainty fuels helplessness. Counter it with small, controllable actions. Health basics: consistent sleep window, protein-forward meals, daily light movement. Make news boundaries. Check headlines 1 to 2 times a day, never before bed. Start a 72-hour readiness kit with water, meds list, basic first aid, flashlights, and a calm contact plan. Micro wins rewire your brain. Small, achievable successes can change the way your brain perceives control, helping you feel more capable and in charge of your life. Routines act like scaffolding when life wobbles. Anchor your day with 3 non-negotiables: wake time, meal timing, and a short walk. Then add self-compassion. Talk to yourself like you would a close friend. If you slip, reset at the next meal or the next morning. No guilt spiral. Community heals. Grief shrinks in community. Make connections. Pick 2 relationships to nurture this week. Make a call. Walk with a friend or have a sit down for coffee. Take action. Volunteer, join a local support network, or help a neighbor with groceries. Start a ritual. That is an intentional action that carries meaning beyond the act itself, like lighting a candle, attending a vigil, hosting a talking circle, or sharing a gratitude meal. These practices turn fear into belonging. Ask yourself, what can this season teach me? This is an opportunity to start journaling the season. Consider challenging times as an opportunity to cultivate a growth mindset, reframing challenges as training. A meaning-making project helps rebuild a sense of purpose and coherence when old assumptions about life, identity, or the future no longer hold. Choose one meaning-making project for the next 30 days. Learn a useful skill, start a neighborhood check-in list, plant a small windowsill garden, or upskill for a new role. This may be a good time to take advantage of free online AI training courses. Progress beats perfection. Don't rush your progress. Take the time you need in this season. But keep moving forward because purpose lowers stress chemistry. Here's a 1-week reset to lower anxiety and regain momentum. Day 1. Name your grief plus 1-minute breathing drill. Day 2. Sleep window set. No screens 60 minutes before bed. Day 3. Stock a simple 72-hour kit. This could simply involve creating or updating a list of your medications and doses, then adding it to your essential documents. Day 4. Send 2 outreach messages. Thinking of you? Want to walk? Day 5. 20-minute tidy of your high-traffic path, bathroom, kitchen. Day 6. Choose one 30-day project. Schedule your first 15 minutes. Day 7. News boundary audit, plus gratitude note to someone who helped you. You're not powerless, and you're not alone. Grieve what's changing, guard your mental and physical health, and grow your circle. If you want, pause here and add a comment about what you'll start this week. If you're still feeling off, schedule a physical with your doctor. Take a list of current meds and get lab work drawn. Sometimes getting a fresh medical outlook helps to reset. Don't forget to talk to your doctor about specific mental and physical health needs. Take a moment to like and subscribe for more actionable videos to boost your healthy lifestyle.